Why does your scanner show the P0505 engine code? What does it mean? P0505 is a diagnostic trouble code for idle control system malfunction. It indicates that the engine is not maintaining a stable idle speed, potentially running too high or too low, and is usually caused by a faulty idle air control valve, vacuum leaks, or issues with the related wiring or connectors. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty idle air control valve. Vacuum leaks. Dirty or defective throttle body. Electronic throttle actuator issues. Collapsed air duct or restricted air filter. Circuit issues. Sensor problems. Powertrain control module problems. Carbon buildup. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota, Pontiac, and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.